Ghost Energy Orange Cream. 16 fluid ounce, 473 milliliters. We got our info here. Nutrition facts. Contains no fruit juice, 10 calories, 30 milligrams of sodium, 2 total carbohydrates. We've got vitamin C, B6, B12, niacin, 100% of your daily value. And for the ingredients, carbonated water, citric acid, natural and artificial flavors. And these additions for their energy drink combo. Sucralose, which is a low-calorie sweetener, as well as aspartame potassium. That's another low-calorie sweetener. Read up on those and understand what you're drinking. See if you're okay with that stuff. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C, coffee, and then some root extracts. Lots of big words. I'm not going to even attempt to pronounce. I don't know what not ginseng root extract is. Huh. And then their own custom blend of all their energy specific stuff. Carnipure, taurine, natural caffeine. So 200 milligrams caffeine. That one's easy enough. Alpha GPC, neurofactor, estrogen. Yeah, a lot going on here. And they have a warning label on the side. And then this is all their marketing stuff. Epic focus, according to them. No artificial colors. That's nice. Yeah. I will say Ghost, this company, whatever their actual name is. Let's see. Future Chemicals. Yeah, I don't know what the main company name is, but anyways, they do good branding. This specific can doesn't have any like texture to it, which I don't know if they do the textural thing or not. I don't remember, but it looks cool. I like the color combos and stuff. Yeah. So I think they're pretty good at branding. You know, it's got a little bit of a slight yellow, golden color to it. Can definitely see the carbonation. It's nice that it's naturally colored just by whatever ingredients are in there. And just a slight golden look to it. Looks nice. Okay. Let's do a smell test. It smells like a manufacturing facility. Yeah. Maybe a slight creaminess to the smell, but to me, it just smells like machinery or something. I mean, it's not terrible smelling. Maybe slight citrusy, creamy smell, I guess. Anyways, this is the Orange Cream Ghost Energy. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's got that creamsicle type flavor. Which is right here. A popsicle, but orange with some like I think they're called creamsicles, right? It's orange, but on the inside it has like a milky type frozen dessert. Yeah, that's pretty close. But I think they need to work on the smell of it. Has an orange flavor, no surprise. There's some sourness to it, a little bit of citrus flavor going on, a little bit tart. Yeah. It's a pretty close approximation of those orange cream popsicle type things. Yeah, not too bad. Let's try from the can. This doesn't have a massive amount of carbonation. So if you really want the most possible, just drink it from the can. But I do think this would work decently well with in a glass with ice to get it as cold as possible. Watering it down, I think there's enough flavor that it should be fine. It is pretty acidic to me in its flavor here. It's got carbonated water, and then the next ingredient is citric acid. So there's a lot of citric acid in this drink. And then natural and artificial flavors, and then a bunch of their energy drink stuff, the sucralose, the aspartame potassium, which are those low calorie sweetener sugar alternatives. If you're okay drinking that stuff, which there is some mixed research at this point on a lot of those sweeteners, read up on it and learn about it and see if you're okay drinking that stuff all the time. I do, obviously. I do these drink reviews and whatever else, but yeah, just something to think about regarding that. Obviously, there's a lot of energy drink stuff in here that I don't really know what it does. And specifically, Ghost, their mix of copyrighted things that aren't like super descriptive of what it does in reality. Alpha GPC, Neurofactor, Astrogen, Carnipure, L-carnitine, tartrate. So all that stuff, if that's another thing, it'd probably be a good idea to understand what all that stuff is before you drink it too often. And then it also has taurine, which is a classic energy drink component. And then, of course, just the caffeine itself, 200 milligrams of caffeine. A lot going on with this drink. Whoops. To me, I think the flavor is pretty decent. You got that orange cream, orange popsicle, like type flavoring going on. So you got a bit of the milky aspects to that type of dessert, and then the orange flavor, the creamsicle. I think that's what they're called. Yeah. To me, this is very manufacturing facility, like highly produced, highly manufactured, scientific flavor and, and everything. So I wouldn't go out of my way to drink these too often. I mean, that was whatever you're into, I guess. It doesn't, in my mind, it just doesn't seem natural, which you could say that about a lot of energy drinks. But this one's, it's on the top tier of very engineered. Yeah, engineered is a good word. Engineered drink. So, okay, here's the they're located in Las Vegas, Nevada. Okay. So it's manufactured for Ghost Beverages LLC, Las Vegas. Anyways, I think it's fun as like an occasional thing. If you want a big boost of energy, this would probably be an interesting option for you. Flavor wise, like I said, I think it tastes pretty decent. The smell isn't amazing to me. There wasn't like a really strong smell or anything, but sorry, the carbonation. But yeah, it didn't help matters, is what I'm saying. So other than that, interesting, maybe worth checking out at the very least if you're into orange cream type flavoring. And energy drinks. Obviously, be careful if you can't handle caffeine. Don't drink this thing. And probably a good idea to research all of this other stuff. Yeah. So that was the Ghost Energy Orange Cream.